Hey Gerd, Mommy's home. Gerd, I'm a Gerd, hey. Oh, she's a happy girl. And you're a happy girl too, huh? Gerd, Gerd, I'm a Gerd, hey. Look at all those dandelions. Oh, chasing birds. Come here, Gerd. Gerd. Check out all these dandelions. Look at them all. Gertie, Gertie, come over here. Look at them, aren't they pretty? You like them? Gerd, I'm a Gerd, hey. Bombi, are you enjoying those dandelions, Gertie, Gertie? What a girl. Are you eating them, Bumby? Hey? What do you think? Ah, Mommy has to go on the hammock. This looks like a hammock day. But it's getting late. Oh, and the bugs aren't quite out yet. Ideal time, probably within the next week or so. They'll come out in full force. Come here, Gerd. Come here, Bumby. Yeah, what's with the grass eating? Both of you have been eating grass lately. Because Mummy hasn't been giving you her veggies. Her veggie leftovers. Because Mummy hasn't been cooking much. Oh, there's the Gerd kiss. Got to get a name for that kiss. It's more like a punch than anything else. Look at her. Look at her. Guess it's time to mow the lawn, eh, Bumby? What? Hey, Mr. Moog. Bumby, Bumby. Bombalina, Bumby. You can see the long shadows. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. Mrs. Magurta, those stalks are really growing like crazy. I don't know, a friend suggested that they were asparagus, but they don't curl the way fiddleheads do. So, I don't know. Oh, I see some bugs coming. Yes, Bombalina? Yeah, what? Mummy didn't bring you any food today from the store. Nope. Just clothes. Yeah. There isn't any? I'm sorry. No, we're all on a diet. Mummy's fat, Bombi's fat. Even Gertie's not as slim as she usually is. Ah, don't tell me fat is Gertie. No, Rubenesque is not in style anymore. Oh, shush. Come on, summertime. You have to get slim for the summer. Ah, I don't believe you. I don't believe you, Bombi. No, that's just what you think. Everybody else looks at you and says, what a fat girl. I don't think so. Look at this. Look at this. Chunky, chunky, chunky. Chunky, chunky. Chunk, chunk, chunk. Chunk, 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 chunk. Yeah. Okay. No, you want to go for a walk. Okay. Okay. Let's go, baby girl. Yeah. Which way do you want to go? You want to go this way? Okay, come on. Could you please stop barking? Bombalina. If you don't stop barking, you're going to have a bath. Thank you. It's the magic word. It's a lovely, lovely day. Where's that Gerd? Oh, there she is. Everything looks so green today. It's almost as if it changed overnight. It's lovely. What are you doing? You're hanging around my feet. You're acting like a Sheltie. And Gertie's acting like a, I don't know, ragamuffin dog. Can't even see her. She's gone into the forest. Mogi's gone in there too. I think Asa's still inside. Here she comes, Magurta. Okay, let's go back. I've got stuff that I have to do. What am I filming? Nothing. Shadows. Okay? Oh, all the bugs are coming. Yes, the bugs are flying around. They're going to get worse and worse and worse. Hey, Mrs. McGurta, hello. We going to go back? Okay, let's go.